A new social network is out, and it comes from none other than Meta, the same company responsible for Facebook, Instagram, and more. The new app is called Threads. Today we'll tell you all about what it is, how to use Threads, and more. Let's jump right in. What is Threads? Meta's Threads app is a text-focused social networking app. It has a character limit. You can only write posts with up to 500 characters, and you can also include links, photos, and videos of up to 5 minutes. How to get started with Threads? Are you ready to try the new social media app? Here's how to get started. 1. Head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download Threads, an Instagram app. 2. Launch Threads. 3. If you've already logged into Instagram using the same device, it should appear as an option to log in. 4. Tap on the Login with Instagram option. 5. You can also tap on Switch accounts if you want to log in using a different Instagram account. 6. You'll be asked to fill out your bio and add a link of your choice. You can also add a profile picture. Do this and then hit the next arrow. 7. Alternatively, you can tap the Import from Instagram button to keep your info synced. 8. Then hit Continue. 9. Choose whether you want a public profile or a private profile, then select Continue. 10. You can now choose whether you want to follow all the same accounts you follow on Instagram, or pick and choose which to follow. 11. When done selecting, tap on the next arrow. 12. Tap on Join Threads. 13. Allow necessary permissions. 14. You're in. You can now tap on the Home tab to check your Threads feed. There's also a Search tab for finding and discovering content. The Compose tab will help you share content with the world, and the Heart tab directs you to your activity page and notifications. Lastly, there's the Profile tab, which lets you explore your own activity. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates. Happy exploring!